I'm Mary Jean Vincent, career expert and strategist, LinkedIn expert, and salary negotiation queen. I'm here today to talk about negotiating and what gets in the way of us negotiating. Certainly, lack of confidence and a lack of skill get in the way of successful negotiation. However, negotiation is a skill that can be learned, and confidence is built through practice. The real challenge is combating the negative messages in our head that prevent us from stepping out of our comfort zone to negotiate. And so today I'm going to talk about 4 common concerns that I hear in my practice and how to reframe them. The first one is the timing isn't right. So let me ask you, when is the timing ever perfect? Pretty much never. So we have to realize that it's never going to be perfect. There are some good times to negotiate, and there are opportunities to negotiate, and we need to step up when those opportunities present themselves. So when you get a job offer, when you're offered a promotion, when it's your performance evaluation, or when you have had just a stellar accomplishment, those are great times to step up and negotiate. The second one is they might rescind the offer. So I often hear from people that there's a concern that if I attempt to negotiate, they might pull the rug out from underneath me and take the job offer away. Let me assure you that that's unlikely to happen. The people who make offers are professionals. They have done their homework in terms of interviewing people and selecting the best candidate, and they selected you. So it's unlikely that they're going to rescind the offer simply because you bring up the idea of negotiating. And in fact, in most cases, employers are expecting you to negotiate, and when you don't, they think they've paid too much. So don't give them the impression that they've paid too much by not negotiating. The third one is, well, maybe I'm not as good as I thought. When we get a lowball offer, we often turn that in on ourselves, and we think, oh, my skills must not be that great. I must not really be as qualified as I thought I was, or they would have made a better offer. Don't believe that for a minute. It's very likely that this is just the start of the conversation. They're expecting you to negotiate. They have some wiggle room and they started low. And you should have every confidence that you are skilled and qualified, or they would not have made the offer. The fourth one is what I call the Jennifer Lawrence excuse. Maybe I won't be liked. If you recall, about 3 years ago, there was a hack of the Sony emails, and the salaries of many entertainers were released over the internet. And Jennifer Lawrence discovered, much to her dismay, that she'd been paid $1 million less than her less well-known male co-star. At the time, she said, well, I didn't negotiate harder because I wanted to be liked, and I was afraid they would consider me spoiled or difficult. Now, you can bet that her male co-stars were not concerned about appearing spoiled or difficult. And then in the future, she'll keep that in mind when it comes time to negotiate. So those are some of the things that get in our way when we negotiate. If you would like to have more confidence and increase your skill in negotiating, then visit me at careercoachmonterey.com. That's careercoachmonterey.com, and find out about my female-friendly salary negotiation strategies workshop and my one-on-one negotiation strategy sessions. That's at careercoachmonterey.com. I'm Mary Jean Vincent, career expert and strategist, LinkedIn expert, and salary negotiation queen.